Nourish your way to a happier life, exploring healthy foods. Welcome to our journey to a healthier and happier life. In this video, we'll explore the incredible benefits of incorporating healthy foods into your daily routine. Join us to discover how nourishing our bodies can lead to a vibrant and fulfilling life. Our bodies grow when we provide them with the right fuel. A nutrient-dense diet not only supports physical health, but also enhances mental health. Let's get into the science behind it. Research shows that eating a variety of whole foods such as fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, and whole grains can improve brain function, boost mood, and reduce the risk of chronic disease.
These foods contain essential vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that promote overall well-being. Did you know that certain foods can directly impact our mood? Let's explore the connection between our diet and our emotional state.
Studies have shown that omega-3 fatty acids found in fatty fish, nuts, and seeds can help reduce symptoms of depression and anxiety.
Additionally, foods rich in complex carbohydrates, like whole grains and legumes, increase serotonin levels, known as the feel-good hormone. Whole grains are a good source of carbohydrates, which are known to increase serotonin levels in the brain. Serotonin is a neurotransmitter that plays a crucial role in regulating mood, sleep, appetite, and other important functions. Whole grains, such as brown rice, quinoa, oats, and whole wheat bread, are complex carbohydrates that provide a slow and steady release of glucose into the bloodstream. This gradual release of glucose helps maintain stable blood sugar levels and prevents sudden
That we understand the importance of healthy foods, let's dive into some simple and delicious recipes that will make our taste buds dance with joy.
Ingredients: 1 cup quinoa, 2 tablespoons olive oil, 1 onion, sliced 2 cloves garlic, minced 1 bell pepper, sliced 1 zucchini, sliced 1 cup broccoli florets, 1 cup snap peas, 2 tablespoons low-sodium soy sauce, 1 tablespoon sesame oil, salt and pepper to taste. Instructions: 1. Cook quinoa according to package instructions. 2. Heat olive oil in a large skillet over medium heat. Add onion and garlic, and sauté until fragrant. 3. Add bell pepper, zucchini, broccoli, and snap peas to the skillet. Cook until vegetables are tender crisp. 4. In a small bowl, whisk together soy sauce and sesame oil. Pour the sauce over the vegetables and stir to coat evenly. 5. Season with salt and pepper to taste. 6. Serve the vegetable stir-fry over cooked quinoa.
Two. Stuffed bell peppers with brown rice and black beans. Ingredients: 4 bell peppers, any color, tops removed and seeds removed, 1 cup cooked brown rice, 1 can black beans, rinsed and drained, 1 cup corn kernels, fresh or frozen, 1 cup diced tomatoes, 1 teaspoon cumin, 1 teaspoon paprika, salt and pepper to taste, 1/2 cup shredded cheddar cheese. Optional. Fresh cilantro for garnish.
Instructions: 1. Preheat the oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit, 190 degrees Celsius. 2. In a large bowl, mix together cooked brown rice, black beans, corn kernels, diced tomatoes, cumin, paprika, salt, and pepper. 3. Stuff the mixture into the hollowed-out bell peppers. 4. Place the stuffed bell peppers in a baking dish and cover with foil. 5. Bake for about 30 to 35 minutes, or until the peppers are tender. 6. Remove the foil. Sprinkle shredded cheddar cheese on top, if desired, and bake for an additional 5 minutes, or until the cheese is melted and bubbling. 7. Garnish with fresh cilantro before serving.
Adopting a healthy lifestyle goes beyond just the food we eat. Let's explore some practical tips to help us maintain a balanced and fulfilling life. Regular physical activity, adequate sleep, and stress management techniques, such as meditation or yoga, are essential components of a healthy lifestyle. They complement the benefits of a nourishing diet, leading to a happier and more fulfilled life.
Remember, nourishing our bodies with healthy foods is not only about physical well-being but also about enhancing our overall happiness. By making conscious choices and embracing a balanced lifestyle, we can truly thrive. Thank you for watching. Like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more inspiring content. Stay grateful, stay happy.
Hello, welcome to my channel. Please continue to listen with your heart. We are not alone in this life. We are interconnected beings who share this planet with countless other beings. Our journey is not simply about personal achievement or the accumulation of material wealth. It's about making a positive impact on the world and the lives of others. Furthermore, our purpose in life is beyond human. We have an obligation to care for and protect all beings who share this planet with us. It includes animals, plants, and the delicate ecosystems that sustain life. By being mindful of our actions and treating all living things with respect and kindness, we contribute to the overall well-being of the earth and its inhabitants. Ultimately, the purpose of life is a deeply personal and individual journey. It is about finding meaning, fulfillment, and connection in our own unique way. However, a common thread that runs through this journey is the understanding that we are here to help each other, leave behind a positive legacy, and support the earth and its creatures. By embracing this purpose, we can lead a life of compassion, empathy, and service, making a positive impact on the world and leaving behind a better place for future generations. Remember, the choice to make a positive impact is ours to make, and the time for action is now. In a world often plagued by strife and inequality, it is crucial for us to recognize the immense potential we possess as individuals and as a collective. By embracing a mindset focused on making the world more beautiful, helping one another, and fostering happiness and equality, we can pave the way for a future that is truly worth living. Let us delve into the transformative power of these principles and understand how they can shape a brighter tomorrow. Best regards, Nima.